Okay.
Recording in progress.
Let's get started. So, yesterday, as part of our discussion, we have discussed the Armstrong number. In here, we have the discussion. So, I'll do one thing. Either narcissistic number has been once again, or shall I just spend the challenge? Once again, point, try to understand. I'll repeat both the questions. What is the problem statement? Narcissistic number says whatever the count of digits is there, that should be power to every single digit. So if you see 153 was total digit was 3. In that case, every single digit 1, 5, 3, all the digits power should be 3. 1, 6, 3, 4 was the digit. That means total number of digits are 4. 1 this is power 4, 6 is power 4, 3 is power 4, 4 is power 4. Sum should be equal to 160. Agree?
Yes, sir.
This is what narcissistic number of. Am I clear? If you read next number 18, desiring number. What is this number saying all about? Pay attention. In this case, every single digit. Let me explain. Just I'll explain over here. Okay. If you pay attention, 1, 7, 5. 175 is the number. In that case, power should be increasing order. What does it mean? The first power 1 raised to the power 1 plus 7 raised to the power 2 plus 5 raised to the power 3. So 1 raised to the power 1 plus 50 equal to
175.
equal to the given. This is what desiring number. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
In narcissistic number, what was the state? 5, 3. Every single digit is
Power of
count of digits. Agree? That is 1. Then
125. Yes, correct. 153.
150,
3.
which is equal to the given number. Agree?
Sir.
Slight differences are there. One we have already done it, 153, where first we will find out the count of the digits in the given number, and then every digit in the given number, every single digit power will be raised by the count of the count of the digits 1, 2, 3. Every digit power is 3. Calculate and then sum equal to that. Over here, what is happening? From here, power is raised. 1 is the power 1. Second digit 7. 7 is the power 2. Third digit 5. 5 is the power 6. Suppose the fourth digit would have been there. That fourth digit power would be
4.
Are you able to understand?
Yes, sir.
Which one do you want to do? One I will do it, second you will do. खेल लो सेफ खेल लो एकदम सेफ खेलने के साथ will not even go with a little problem also. Is that okay? I'll explain this one. You give a try. If you fail in this, then I can explain this. Or I'll explain directly this one since you are very confident in this. Explain this one. No, my question I am not going to explain anything. You do everything. You don't ask my language. I'm super sleepy now. I'll go to sleep. Complete. Okay, which one try? Desiring or narcissistic number? I'll explain narcissistic number. In desiring, one line you need to do. Just one line. That logic. I'll give you hint also. After that, one line you need to write. That's it. If you listen to my hint, you will be able to write that one line. Problem will be solved. If you still can't do it, I'll explain it here. What's the good thing? Online books, let me listen to the online books. How about you guys? Nikhil, what's happening, Baba? Nikhil? Now, when you books, online. This one is narcissistic number. This one is desired number. You tell me N or D, which one should I solve? Narcissistic number or desired number? Online books, faster. Anyone, Bala, your rubbish. He just says, desired. The narcissistic number you will try. Only one person said narcissistic. Wow. That's a what my wish is, both the numbers have almost similarity, except one. See, here whatever the count of digit, that remains same for every digit. Agree?
Yes.
Over here, this slight change. What? Listen carefully. You read, listen the strategy. Listen the strategy. Very simple it is. No big thing. What is the count of digit?
3.
3. This first time when you read the last digit, because we always start reading from last one.
Yes.
We never start from this side. We always start from this side. Read the last digit. Last digit is what? 5. 5 raised to the power whatever the count. Count is what?
3.
5 raised to the power
3.
After that, next digit when you read it, that time whatever the count value is there, you decrement. So 7 raised to the power 3 minus 1, 2.
2.
Next time 2 minus 1.
1.
Now count minus if you can't write. Let me know, I'll write that also. Shall I explain narcissistic number first? Try for desired number. If you fail for desired number, let's put that. Chalega? Chal. You look at it?
Yes, sir.
By the way, all the online course, although I believe you might be aware about these concepts, but if at all anybody is not confident about reading the last digit or picking the last digit, let me. I'll explain, I have no issues. It will take hardly 5 minutes. Faster. Do you want me to help you with how to read the last digit of a given number or pick out the last digit of a given number? Or are you confident? Bhaiya, wait. Okay.
Pennu kudu. Oi. Pencil.
Sumant, are you from BBB? Sumant, are you from BBB? No, sir, you are from BBB. Oh, sorry, B03 batch, right? Fine. Okay. Why nobody has responded? Wow. Now, yes, from BBB. Wow. Wow. Let me proceed with the narcissistic number. I'll take a couple of variables. Let's start with now. Is equal to say,
20.
and few variables will be taking digit equal to 0, sum equal to 0, and take everything, which should be initialized now. These are the basic digits we needed. Along one more we need, that is count. I am saying 3. Count is 0, digit is 0, sum is 0. Agree? Okay, let's get started with the logic. Okay, sir. First thing first, I need to find out the count of a given number. I need to count the digits in the given number. First thing is what? I need to count the digits. I need to count in the given 3. How do I do? First thing. Shall I start?
Yes.
What logic I'm going to do? Every time I take out one digit and increment the count. Okay. सबसे पहले you say count, then you say what? What the divided by. How long shall I keep doing this activity, sir? Long. Long is number greater than 0. Keep incrementing the count. Keep reducing the digits. This is the logic for Take out last digit. Okay, moving forward. So after this, let's start completing this part only. Shall I do the diagram for this one?
Yes,
Let's get started. Sir, what all the variables are there? Num is 3. Then I have taken another variable count. These are the two variables I have taken in this problem. Let's discuss about these two. First, sir, num is what? First time. 153. Okay, sir. 153 was the number. And now we give this number to 0.
Yes.
To increment the count by 1, 2. Agree? Then after this, once again we will check. Is this time now equal to number 10. Then left over is 15. Greater than 0. To get increment the counter to 2. After this, once again. Now divide by 10. Will be counter 1. After this, 1 greater than 0 condition. In that case, increment the counter to 3. Once again, now equal to number 10. Then count the one more digit. Agree? What is left over is
0.
now once again condition check 0 greater than 0 condition. Count when you name. How many digits after? We have got the count of digits. All of you clear online folks. We are getting first count of the digits in the given number. Is that clear? Online folks. Was it not clear? Very good. Repeat my theory. Is it better now? Pakka, audible clearly? Sure. Hopefully it will not create any other issue. Let's get started. Shall I move forward? One thing is clear. Whatever number was given, that number we have got the count of digits. One thing is that. But in order to get the count of the given number, the count of digits in the given number, while we were calculating the count of digits in the given number, we got the count, yes or no? One mistake we have done. We had been reducing the digits within the given number numbers. Agree? And then when you step out of the while loop, num begins. But we need enough to proceed further.
Yes.
So already we have set now. Now we will do vice versa. So whatever is in there, put it. Agree? Once this is done, now what do I need to find out? I need to find out the every digit because count is 3. So every digit Q sum I need to find out. Agree? Let's start with the one digit after another digit. How do I read the last digit, sir? How do I read the last digit? Storing another variable. What? Okay. Then I got the digit. Now I need to do what? This digit should be power by whatever is the value of count. Agree? Here, whatever the power of count, every digit should be raised by that. Agree? In order to do that, is that okay if I write a method?
Yes, sir.
Is that okay? Yes, sir. So I will say plus get power. I'll write a method called get power of 2 values. I'll pass you 2 values. What are those values? First one is the base. Second one is the exponent. What is base in our scenario? It is our base. Agree? What is exponent over here? Agree?
Yes, sir.
Count is the exponent. Agree? Done. Now we will write the logic rules. Now consider we have given digit and the count. So this will become digit raised to the power count, and I'll get one number. Agree?
Yes, sir.
That I have to calculate for some. What do you remember? I'm saying equal to some get the power of digit and the count. Agree? To the power count plus some assign it to the sum. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
These two lines are everybody clear? I got one digit. That digit I am giving to this method where base is digit, exponent is count. The digit is to the power count will be calculated and given to me. I am adding to the existing sum. Agree?
Yes, sir.
This activity is done. Now, do I need that digit anymore? So, what will I say? Equals to divided by. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Everybody understood this much?
Yes, sir.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
How long should I do these activities? Yes. As long as why? Why? Numbers. Done. Once I step out of the loop, what I would have got? I would have got the sum. Agree na?
Yes, sir.
Sum will have what value? Whatever is the every digit power the count. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Sum of it. I got it. Now I need to do one condition check. What? If shall I mention part? Okay. If at all m is equal to yeah, if at all m is equal to sum, then it is a narcissistic number, else not a narcissistic, right? Not narcissistic. Agree? Can I say this entire logic is completely done? Agree? But one thing we have missed, what is that? We have not written the power. So let me say power. Boy, it is gonna return integer value. Method name is get. Where I am going to but is digit. Second is in count. I hope you are all clear with me, everybody.
Yes.
Okay. Three. Oh, it's visible. Now I have within the body, I have to ensure to find out the calculation in such a way that whatever count is there, that entire digit should be multiplied itself. See, if I'm saying digit raised to the power count, that clearly means what? Say for example, let me give value. Say 5 raised to the power 4. If it is the case, then I'm doing what? 5 into 5. Whatever answer comes. On that answer, I'm saying once again, into whatever answer comes, I'm saying into 5. So see, 4 times I have calculated the multiplication of 5. Agree?
Yes, sir.
See, this power is telling how many times I have to multiply. Digit into digit into digit into digit. I'm telling 5 is to the power 4 means 5 into 5, 2 digit done. Twice I've done. Then thrice, then 4. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Basically, this is what we have to do programmatically. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Digit should be multiplied by itself. How many times? Count times. Base and exponent are there. Base should be multiplied to base. How many times? Exponent times. Are you getting the point? Arey Baba, this is this is your base. This is your exponent value. So what I'm saying, base should be multiplied to base. How many times? Exponent times. So in our case, digit should be multiplied to digit. How many times? Count. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Shall I? Understood, everybody?
Yes, sir.
All right, folks. Quick confirmation, please. Did you understand whatever we are discussing? Everybody faster. Simple funda. Base should be multiplied to base. Exponent number of times. Shall I write?
Yes, sir.
Moving forward. If I need to tell for int, of course I need to take another variable. I is less or equal to count. Okay. Let I done, sir. Okay. Now let me take another variable called power result, whatever you want. That is zero, sir. Arey, what is the power function with 0? We are going to calculate power into digit. Store back it into the power. See, if you are doing summation, what? If at all you are doing summation, this one, where you are doing calculating the sum and storing into the sum, then it is recommended sum should start with always. But if you are doing multiplication, see, where I'm multiplying power with something and storing into the power. In this case, if you keep power as 0, 0 into anything is 0. Next time also 0 into anything is 0. Answer remains
0.
and we become
0.
we have
1.
hero or heroine. So let's not make mistake. Make a thumb rule whenever you're doing some calculation. Always sum must be initialized with 0. If you are doing multiplication, ensure you start with
1.
basic state. Never do it. Okay?
Yes.
Now let's get started. Power into power. Power equal to power into digit. Going back into the power, right? Let's let's evaluate. Let's do the diagram for this.
Yes.
In our case, every single thing shall I start doing one by one? Entire all the 3 digits.
Yes.
Shall I start? Name on you people, all of you. Shall I start?
Yes.
People are not even understanding at all. Shall I start?
Yes.
Good. Vidya? Shall I start? No one. I should not start explaining. Your vision. Not in the word, I'll go. Tell it in Prada. Shall I start? Shall I start?
Yes.
Once again, shall I start? Now everybody, shall I start? Okay, sir. Now make what? Digit is written consider digit. Digit equal to equal to and initialize with whatever value of count is.
0.
As of now, now value is what?
1.
1, 5, 3, and rather than this, I'll do one thing. I'll take all the variables because I would need the variables, right? I'll do one thing. Num value is 1, 5, 3, digit whatever comes, count whatever comes, count whatever comes. But as of now, we have initialized all of them with 0. Agree? So I can understand your brain. Check. Focus now. Shall I? And these are the areas we will do calculations. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Check. Let's get started. Alpha from number value is 150. Is it better than 0?
Yeah.
Value is already
0.
I'm adding increment by
1.
count begin.
1.
Then num equal to num by 10. Num value is 150 divided by 10 will generate 15.3. 0.3 will be discarded. What is left over in now? So basically, one digit has been picked out. Agree? Okay, sir. Now once again 50 greater than 0 condition true. Increment the count to then pick out the last digit. That is 1 again.
1.
What we get that?
0.
Increment the count to
3.
then pick out the last digit. That is what is left over.
0.
Okay, so 0 greater than 0 condition. Step out. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Now when I step out, what is the value of count?
3.
Count value is
6.
after I step out of the while loop. Only when will I step out of the while loop when num is not greater than 3. If I step out of the while loop, that means num already became 0. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now if I step out, first thing, take the current value, whatever was there, already existing value that I stored in 10 back into the num. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
So I think num must be initialized back with 10. Agree? What is the value should be there? 153. 153. That's the
Yes, sir.
now for this. What is the value of num right now?
123.
153 is greater than 0.
Yes.
If condition is true, then it will be what am I saying? Get the what am I saying? 153 mod 10. Mod 10 will produce the remainder for me. Agree?
Yes.
15.3. When I say over here, 153 modulus of 10. That is division. If we check, 15.3 is coming. Remainder will be there 3. Agree?
Yes, sir.
And modulus of operator return remainder. So what is the number I am getting out of this calculation is 3. Where I am storing it? 3. Or online folks, are you clear? Faster. Quick. Everybody has to respond, guys. Don't make me wait for you. Each one of you. Faster. People are still not responding. Great. Now the point is, I got the digit as 3. This much is done. Then what is the existing value of sum right now?
0.
Get the power of digit. Digit is what? Digit is what? Count what did we get? Count this 3. So I will tell him get power 3 comma 3. That is 3 raised to the power 3. Agree?
Yes,
In this case, control will jump to the get power method. Agree?
yes, sir.
Okay, digit is count. Okay, sir. Now come again. What is the variable I have? Another variable I have taken.
One.
What is the variable? Basically, in this method, I write local methods of this method. Local variables of this method. I equal to digit equal to AI. Then count equal to I got. Done, sir.
Yes, sir.
Let's get started. I have taken one more variable.
One.
Equal to
One.
done, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, I initialize with 1, then I am saying 1 less or equal to count value is
Three.
3, sir. Count is 3. 1 is less or equal to 3 condition.
Two.
Get it. Power value is already
One.
1 into digit value is what?
Three.
1 into 3.
Three.
Store it.
Four.
Okay,
Three.
sir. After this, what is the next condition? After this, I'll come back and I to
Two.
2 less or equal to 3 condition. The condition is 2. Get it. What is the value of power right now?
Three.
Digit value is what?
Three.
3. Agree. 3 into 3. 9 will be stored in
Four.
power value. After this, I will increment it to.
Three.
Now I'm saying 3 is less or equal to 3 condition. This condition is what is the correct value of power? 9. Digit value.
Three.
9 into 3. Will be stored in
Four.
power value. Okay, sir. Once again, I will be incremented to 4 less or equal to 3.
Four.
Condition false, therefore, what is the next I'm telling? Return. Don't believe this entire order is returning 0. What will be stored in the from beginning? Everybody clear? Now people to come divided by 10. Now you have already got. Then we pick up the gone. Now after this, once again, one addition we check. Number is already. What is that? Digit will be. I hope you are there. Digit I got. Now next time doing some value is already. I say 27 is the existing value of sum. Get the power of digit is what this time? The digit is 5. Count is how much? Count remains 3. So 5 to 3. This time if I proceed here, digit value is 5. Count value is okay. Sir, shall I? Okay. Give me a minute. I will start with 1 digit is 5. Power is 1. Am I right? Let's get started. Okay, sir. Now once again, I is starting with 1. 1 is equal to condition. Okay, power value existing value of power 1. 1 into digit is what? 1 into 5. 4 in power. Power becomes. Okay, sir. Once again, I will be incremented to. I will be incremented to. Done. 2 is equal to 3 condition. Then power value existing. Into digit is what? 5 into 5. This is stored in power existing value into becomes into 4 is equal to 3 condition. Step out. Return. What? Existing sum is 725. No, will be assigned value to. Okay, sir. After this, now we will kick out the last. Now we want to divide by 10. We kick out the last. That is. So, what's the over? 150%. Or digit is some value is already what? 152 is the sum value. Get power. Digit is what this time? 1. This time I'm passing digit as 1. I'm talking about the digit as 1. Just give me a minute. Okay. Next, I value digit power Okay, sir, let's get started. I start with 1. I value is 1. That's what equal to 3 condition. Power value of 3. 1, sir. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Power value is 1. This is what? 1 into 1 square. Power becomes 1, sir. Once again, after that, I will increment it to 2. 2 less or equal to 3 condition. In that case, power is value. This is 1 into 1. Power value is like this. Once again, I will increment it to 3 less or equal to 3 condition. Power. It also. 4 is power. 3. 4 is less or equal to 3 condition. Condition for step, but what is the current value of power? Become what? This is entire answer become 1. All the existing sum value is 153 the final answer of sum. Agree?
Yes,
Now we put number that is
1.
4.
0.
Now condition 0 with
0.
step out of this and then check this condition. Agree?
Yes, sir.
What's the value of temp right now? Temp value is 153. Some value what to found? 153 is equal to 153. Agree? Easy to understand all of the 3 points. But people end up mistaking this. They never reassign. They start with num equal to 0 only. Answer never comes. Majority of the time, what happens when you are calculating these kind of programs, you are running out of time. If you are attending any test, online test, or a face-to-face interview, and all, you are in a paper. End up making mistakes fast. First mistake. I'll list down the mistakes also where you can do the mistakes. First one, you never do a reassignment. Existing value, take and put into the num, then only anything works. Count, I am sure all of you are very much comfortable. And rather than writing math.org, write your own method. It is highly recommended and highly appreciated. If while say you wrote it this way, and then you can tell that, sir, I could calculate with math.org also, but I was interested to write my own method. Oh, very good. Highly appreciate it. In interviews, don't use predefined methods unnecessary unless it is no choice. If possible, there is a possibility of writing your own logic. So, in this case, second simple point is this one. What is that? Reinitialize with 0. This is our first point. First point, we don't do assignment. Second point over there, we do initialize with the 0. These are the few couple of points where you may end up making mistakes. Rest everything is almost similar what we had been doing, Armstrong number or any number you have been following. Agree? Yes. Can I say this much is clear?
Yes, sir.
Everything.
Yes, sir.
Now the point is every time count this 3 only. No. Why am I doing the last digit? I want count to be 3. Leave it like this. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Before returning, I just need to write. Next time count become what? 2. Next time 1. This is what you can't write. Give a try. Let me see. Next number is on paper. On paper. Logic I want. Don't end up writing SOP, enter a number and all. Don't this time. Write the direct logic, write down desired number and take the number as an example. Voice is not clear. Once again, man. Desired number example, you take it. I give a simple number. Just 1 second. Or take the smallest number. 89 as the desired total number. Okay, Shiva, voice is clear now? Not clear? Voice is not clear. Shiva, voice is clear? Now, beta. Hello. Is it better, Shiva, now? Others, by the way, did you all understand? What is the logic you are building? Did you all understand? Each one of you. Great, thank you. Can I expect you to follow with the desiring number? Desiring number. Let me show you the desiring number definition. This is what you will be trying. Each one of our trying. I request you also to do it. Although logic is there right next to you, you can switch the screen. In laptop also you can switch the screen. Logic is there right next to you. Problem is there right next to you. Please start. Once done, place your hand. Once done, type in chat, please. And don't copy paste the logic. Write by your own, please. Rather than looking after, write by yourself, please. If you make mistake, I'll correct you, da. Giving a chance to make mistake. You understood the logic, try to build by yourself. Without copy pasting. And over here. Come. Take the chair. See, if you can't build the logic, that's fine. I'll explain it once again. But don't try to copy from here. Build your own logic. Done. Don't quick. Starting from there. Okay. Here it will be looking. Oh, that is perfect. And now we can see. Oh, very good. Good. 100. Where are we from here? That is this. Can you I'm waiting for your responses in chat, guys. Faster. Write the logic and quickly share with me. Sai Krishna, right? I forgot your name, madam. Arpita. Your name? Hey, wow, timing. What is your name? Pranita. Think what is it? Kalyani. Answer to be collected. There is no probability of getting back once you log. Yesterday when I started, none of them came with notebook. Perfect. Except one of us. Yesterday when I started, people those who came. Maybe another one. Right. I hope everybody has done it. Shall I move to the next question or let practically implement first? Shall we practically implement? अभी तो मजा आया तो let me share the screen and let's get started. Give me a moment, let me wipe the board, guys. Online books. Pages. चलिए शुरू करें. Visible? Okay, somebody has sent the report. Let me check. Only one person around. Very good. Super. Good job. Let's get started. Our problem statement is what is that? Task design number. Let me quickly save the code. I have to save it. Okay. Then I have to bring static void thing. Then I have. Sanjay, you have done the same first silly mistake only. Check. After this number 0, then scanner AB is equal to mu of system dot and Since we are writing this, okay, sir, after this, let's write system down of equal to that I'll take into a variable called now. Done. Then I need to write the method is that the number in that I'm passing now. We this should return me a boolean value, yes or no? That discussion we'll do later. Let's write a method called pasta public static void integer is desiring to get the name of the method interrogative means Boolean is desiring int of now done. Am I right? I have written up. Agree? Now pay attention. First thing first. Here I have to take few variables apart from now. What are those few variables? Sir, first int digit equal to 0, int sum equal to 0, count equal to 0, along with this. Clear? Then first I need to find out the count of a given number of digits into the given number. Agree? Total count of digits in a given number. Agree? I don't want to write everything in this method. I want to write separation of concept. Hope you remember? What I'll write another one. What public static. This method returns what? Count of number digits, right? That is integer get digit count. Or you can write it this. I really this is the right recommended approach. Or you can say digit count. That's count the digit. I will go with get digit count. You can go with any naming convention. This is I prefer, and this is more used. Then what do I pass? Now, what do I get in return? Count of digit, right? How do I get the count of digit? Once again, start. Why? Then after this, done. Done. But count variable has to be created here.
We need to try there.
अब भाई हमें भी ले लेंगे ना कभी करते अरे यार हम लोग समझ नहीं थे यार बात को यार वेट I'll correct it wait because we will make the counter here that's why you are doing that fine here can I say count equal to now everybody we'll discuss everything. Because while writing logic, we wrote something else. I'm making changes. I have corrected that. See, while writing code, I get some new ideas. Any problem? You should not be having a problem. Logic is clear out of it. Slight here and there changes, no problem. Now I know this is absolutely correct. This logic. Agree? Just for sake of our understanding. Plus, typing mistake. Alag ho gayi. So let's execute. All the let's say right click over into CMD, and first thing I'll do that class path equal to Java C, Java. Singleton statement whereabouts. This one will be enough. Enter number say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total digit count is. I just want to check the count digit. Is it coming correct or not? Right now, Abhina. 4. So perfectly working. Count is working fine. Let's move. The count part is done. I got the count so far. Now what? I got the digit count after this. Next. Now num is equal to 10. Shall I do it? Over here in this method, what is the value of num right now? Whatever value user has entered, right? Am I making changes in this method body? Where do I make changes? So this is a different stack thing. This is a different
Stack.
Hope you remember, guys. To explain that also. For every method, different stack frames are there. In that stack frame, different local variables will be there. Whatever I have made changes into this method, which method? Get digit count method. Those changes will not reflect into other stack frame. Hope you remember, guys. Local variables are stored to that only that stack frame where they have been created. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Hope you are pretty clear.
Yes, sir.
Here now when the remains as it is, I have not made changes. While writing on board, I was writing everything in the main method. That is why I will do that.
Yes, sir.
भैया confusion हो तो बताओ मैं वैसा लिखूं. If you are getting confused, let me know. I can write the way I have written on the board. Everything in the main method only I'll write it. What is the big deal? Anybody getting confused? Can you understand what is happening over here? Else go home. Most important, if you are getting confused, ensure you do it tomorrow onwards. That confusion will clear. Please do one thing. Hope you remember. Program execution will start from May. Agree, na?
Yes, sir.
Ensure you start calculating from that. Create a stack frame from May. How many local variables are main? Keep there, value there. Create another stack frame for this desired number. Keep all the local variables with the values there. Then create another stack frame for get digit count. All the variables there. Then do the try run of the entire program. I'm sure you will. Or you want me to do it? Can you handle it? Creating a stack frame is a no big deal for us. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Sure. Then I will. Okay, sir. Now I got the digit count. What do I do, sir? I have to find out few things. What? Get the digit. How do I get the digit? Now, what?
10.
I got it.
And
After this, sum equal to plus. Get for this, I'll pass digit comma. Done. That logical right. Later. As of now, next. Done. This entire thing should go where within the body of a while loop. Now, done. I hope the logics are pretty much clear to each one of you. Clear, guys? No confusion. If this is all done, then what will I say? I'll return if at all in 10 is equal to done. Then I will say return. That's all. Else anyway it will return false, right? Hope you remember?
Yes, sir.
Done. Over here, whatever I got, true or false, that I'm writing into another if. What is also we have discussed. Then I'm saying what? Now, if done. Okay, sir. Else part. Else is टाइपिंग से ज्यादा जल्दी हो रही है बताओ। क्या और not really there. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Can I say all of us understood what is written on board and what is written in code? Both are clear to us.
Yes, sir.
In board, everything I have done within the main method. Here I have to do different method. Can I say everybody understood?
Yes.
Shall we execute now? How that we should not have. Where is our power method? Get power method. So, are you telling me write one more method? This should return what? Something written? What should be written? Integer power. Agree? Method name. Integer. Done. Over here. What do I do, sir? First, you better respond, and that is the reason I made you sit in front row. If you don't respond, I'm gonna talk to you. Is that clear? Now, I is less or equal to count. Then I done. After this, that count also for desiring count has to be reduced. Agree? After every loop or outside the loop, inside the loop. Are you sure? Ka- Let's check. 175, right? Count something what we are doing is not correct, huh? Where should I do it? Everybody have done it where? Inside the while loop, huh? Here, here you are done. This way. Shall I check? One second. One second. 89 is the next number, right?
Yes, sir.
Another number is 158 or something. Wait. 518. Next number is 518. Okay. One thing, what if rather than doing here, if I do within the do everything. I just want to cross check. Can I? Anymore? That is not the right. Sorry, my bad. Shall we move to the next program, Fatapat? Akka,
Yes, sir.
how can I say narcissistic number or desired number comes? We are not gonna get back. We are ready?
Yes, sir.
100% each one of you?
Yes, sir.
Next program is what? Right. One of the most popular interview question and how did I miss it? Okay. What is the front of a leap year?
Yes, sir.
29 February we see that. Happy? Now with this logic, we can never be able to find out. I am warning you for the last time. Don't test my patience, please, madam. Pakka and so never you will be able to subtract. Here, both of you. Repeatedly, so many warnings have been given to both of you. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now answer will not come, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Good. If it happens once again, you are responsible. Clear? You are feeling so old. I think. Now the point is, next leap year. For this, whatever logic we know that every year which has 29th of February is a leap year. Agree? With this logic, we can never be able to find out a given year is a leap year. We can never be able to find. I mean, the logic what I am gonna tell that may sound weird to you, but that is what the actual logic everybody writes, everybody expects. All that has nothing to do with the 29th February account. That this is absolutely different than the 29th February. But that works. That is the logic which works effectively. Shall we start discussing about it? Shall I? Yes. One any year. Let me first explain it to you. Close your eyes, front row, go faster. Funda is, see, whenever a year is being asked as an input from the end user, there are only two possibilities. There are only two possibilities that a given year is a century year or not a century year. Any idea about what is a century? Either it is a century or not a century. Agree? Any idea what is century? Which ends with? Which is multiple of 100, 1900, 2000, 1800, 1700. So if you are asking end user enter a year, possibility are only two. That will be a century year or non-century. Agree? Century year we'll discuss later. I am about non-century. A year which is not a century year. In that case, there is only one condition. If this particular year, whatever came, if it is fully divisible by 4, then it is a leap year. So what is this logic all about? Welcome to Java. Not Java, welcome to any language. This logic works everywhere. This is the year, you whatever year is given, that you do modulus 4 double equal to 0. If then it is leap. Else not here. Logic is simple and straight. This is the only logic you need to remember for a non-century. For century year, different story. Agree? Am I clear?
Yes,
Century year, see, if a non-century year, that is divisible by 4. If a century year is there, then it has to be divided by. Are you getting my point? Why? Modulus of 400. Then it is a 0. You know what? Done? Funda is, this is how the logic is, and there is no other, what do you call, reason behind it. This is why it is happening. Boss, if you start counting 29 February every year, you will go mad and you will not be able to catch. Pakka. This works fine, there is a patch. Of course, patchwork is. I agree, this is a patchwork. Working now. And everybody has this logic. Only if you have a better logic, teach math for me. Shall I? Before anything else, we have to do some calculation. What? First, you find out given is a century or not. Two situations are there. If century year, then divide by 400. If it is not a century year, 4. How do you identify given year is a century or not? That logic we have to write right. First, identify given year is a century or not. Shall I start the program? Hope you understand both the scenario. If century year divided by 4. If century year divided by 4. If completely divisible, then it is leap year, else not a leap year. Agree? Can I move? First logic. And I will tell you something. This is one of the questions which can be the last question for your exam. Those who have missed today's class, especially for them. those who are from non-CSIS background or NCA, BCA background, and they have missed today's class or any leap year discussion anywhere, they didn't study leap year discussion and directly go for interview. What's the situation if leap year is being asked and you started telling? Sir, a leap year is a leap year which is 29 February. Sir, let me write the logic for calculating 29 February. The moment you say this, end of discussion, understood very much, you have never done program. Because leap year is one of the most popular interview question to identify the candidates, those who have never done programming, they are learners. Two categories. Started learning, little bit basic, I know few programs I have done it. I have not done any programming. Ask anything, I'll build right in 4 months. If anybody is building logic with 29 February, you will be, thank you for coming. HR. But yeah, 400. Start with this. Okay, now. So, well, first thing, I'll take a year as a variable. Okay, now. I'll take from the end user whatever year end user give. Okay, now. First, I need to find out calculation of whether it is a century or not. How do I find out? 500. Then it is a century year. Agree? If it is not a century year, I am asking in that case, what is the condition? Sir, if it is not a century year and it should be a leap year, then it must be fully divisible by 4. Let's write the condition within the else body only. Hope you know nesting of else. Agree now? When I will say if equal to 0, then it is a else it is a 3 and this else part I have to. Okay. It is a leap year, not a leap year. Hope you understand my science. 9 languages going on. Huh? Lazy person यार समझो तुम लोग यार मुद्दे की बात पे आ जाओ. If a year is century, what to do? If it is divisible by 100, then it's the century. For century year, if at all, year divisible by double equal to 0, else वो तुम लोग लिख रहे हो clear?
Yes.
Do I need to practically show you or you can manage? If you want, make a note of this. And rather writing program this way, write the flowchart. Some program will make it. Everybody will copy the program. Nobody will write the flow. See, ultimately, you should remember the flow of that logic. If you remember the flow of logic, you can build any program. Very good. That is following. Although proper design if I need to do, I have to take what is that called? Rhombus. Diamond. No, shape is something else. Shape is called what? Rhombus only. Rhombus only, no? Rhombus I have to take and then yes, no, but it's not complicated. Yeah. Hello. Done everybody? Oh, fish and online folks. Nobody has responded also. Very good. I have taken in the entire program. Screen was shared. Notepad. Balai. And nobody is focusing on it. What's happening with Dinesh Reddy? Shall I move to the next one? What is the next program we have done? Super popular question. Wow. Let me share the screen. Shall I write the board? It happened with me also when I was getting to you. Carried out from non-CS as well now. And simple, okay, tell me the logic of leap year. Simple. So any year, which is 29 happen. भाई क्या कर रहा है? Sir, I'm telling you, any year which has 29 happening is a leap year. अरे भाई तो program में कैसे करेगा? I'll do it, sir. Give me 10 minutes. He started taking 4.5. पूरा दिन ले. हो जाए तो बता देना. And he wrote what not logic, God knows what he has done, which I would not understand. I know where it can work. Thank you for. What can I do? If a college fresher is being hired, few programs are expected from that candidate. Few programs. If you can't tell me Fibonacci series, I am done with your interview. I cannot help you. Not me, any interviewer cannot help. If you don't know prime number, story over. कुछ नहीं बचा बात करने के लिए. There are few programs which and every program, if you observe, every popular question I have illustrated for them. Is it there? You just practice this much would be more helpful. Shall we proceed now? The next program is our very interesting, which you will just have, we will only do it, you relax. Read the next program, sir. Wait. How many are confident I can handle this program? 20th program. Salman? हाथ क्यों उठा रहे? Madam? You tell me the condition for it. That's enough. And this kind of program happened in your batch, am I right?
Sir.
It's a revision happening for you. In revision also you are not confident. What's the name? Yes, Roshni. What's the matter? How do I identify given character is an alphabet? Yes or no? Unicode. In Java, it's Unicode, not ASCII. 9. Raise, you know. Sure, write down on paper. All of you write down on paper. Let me see. Uppercase range and lowercase range, as well as digit range. And don't open your mouth, please. ये कौन सा बड़ा बात वाला नहीं? तो ये तो हम लोग कर चुके ना? ओ हीरो, राहुल. Uppercase, lowercase, and digit. Uppercase, lowercase, and digit. Daphne, you are supposed to remember me. Anand, put more efforts, please. Great expectation is there with you. And this is a lot volatile. Anything happen, you must know. And why did you raise hand? You raised hand. Madam didn't raise hand. I guess. Somebody didn't raise hand here. You saw that. That madam, have you also raised hand? नहीं यार, मेरी आंख इतनी खराब हो गई. Both of you didn't raise hand. Range. Range. Uppercase range. Uppercase range. Again the number. 195. Uppercase range. 95. 2. Hmm. 50 will start from uppercase and start with 50. 40. Very good. Answer in chat, everybody. हमारे को uppercase lowercase range कोई. Last person must be known to each one of you. I want to ask the Unicode. You can write it this way. And this way will not work. In this case, only uppercase A or lowercase a or lowercase c is there. What if I give lowercase a? Check. Any other alphabet if I give lowercase, will it work? First condition. Work out. Give C, show me. Give input as C, lowercase c. Then show me how. Condition is written. Given character value. Say for example, what is the variable name of it? Given. Variable name is taken ch. Ch is greater than or equal. Okay, this is greater than. But right, you need Unicode. Please. Reason is there. Why am I asking to write Unicode? Reason is there. Wait for few days. Will come to patterns. There also once again Unicode will come. These ranges which I told you to remember will come back again and again. आता copy paste. Lower case range. Node में करता थी ना. Change. Both of you. Performance has to improve. Madam. Range you know? Uppercase, lower case. And there is Rona madam. Yes, नहीं चाहिए तो बड़ी बात नहीं. Let's get started. Do I need to type the program or you will be able to handle it? If anybody has issue, I am okay to do it. Tell me quickly. Shall I do it? Yes. So what is the program given? I'll write the program directly over here. Hope that sense for you. Okay. In that case, class alphabet checker. Let me please see the code. Okay, write down public. Void string. And then first thing is enter, sorry, scatter. KB is equal to of after this, I will say system dot out how we can miss for the matter import so that then print off three, then I will say what character is equal to character. That is what done. Next, if all is alphabet check is alphabet. What to give the method name now? Cute name I want. Is alpha. Alpha beta gamma is alphabet. I mean, actually, the point is, it is not recommended to use the short. It is always recommended as full form. You can use abbreviations. Should be used everywhere. Okay, is alphabet. Then we will discuss else and all. Is alphabet is a method name actually. Agree now? So let me first write down the method only public. Static. It's to written. What are we going to check? Is it in uppercase or in the lowercase? Right? In that case, we will return a string either. Or better print in there itself. You understand this now? See, whatever character is given, that character will pass into another method. That method will check, okay, it is in uppercase. Then what will you return? True. False. Possibilities there are three. Then better we will write the system out of printer and there is it okay?
Yes.
We'll send the character from here. We'll call is alphabet checker. Alphabet checker. Alphabet checker. This method takes a ch as an input. That's here. I don't return anything. Can I write a method without returning anything? Void alphabet checker. That takes character ch as an input. Then over here, what do I do? If at all ch is or equal to 65 or and equal to thank you, 90, right? Then it is or equal to or equal to then write a program to check a character is an English alphabet, uppercase, lowercase, or not. As of now, we understood it's an alphabet. Is it uppercase or lowercase? Whatever is that, it is an alphabet, right? I want to give the message uppercase alphabet, lowercase alphabet, not an alphabet. Understood the requirement? Then sir, do one. Second half, remove it, remove the odd number. Then you write what? This much. Agree? Then over here, else part is not there. Agree? Here you the citizen have that train car. What is the bucket? अरे यार तो कॉमेडी नहीं कर रहे हो यार ये नहीं चलेगा is upper case agree done इसी को उठाओ it's a that is in upper case this is in lower case okay na is camel case all the cases are there upper case lower case camel case shall I proceed now this much is enough will I execute Pakka na you people are confident I am not confident are you confident that is only important at that you are not ready to do that you should be very confident चलो तो क्या हुआ भाई now what do you need to do first scenario then another scenario then another scenario that program over and ensure you save it with program. I will check any day all the programs should be in the same sequence separation of cursor should be there for everything have to write a different method ensure problem statement is there simple input output is there program numbering also should be corrected everybody and anybody who has come without program laptop to the class let me see this raise your hand Pakka. So can I say everybody can show the program now itself?
Yes, sir.
Ready? All the programs before narcissistic number, everything is done. What are you doing? I am giving you 2 days of time. Whatever pending programs are there, complete. Day and night requires completed and I am very strict with respect to the task work. If I am giving a task, I'll kill you if you don't do. I am nice while teaching. While it comes to task completion, I'll kill you. I'll literally make you run and up and down. But I want my task to be done on time. I cannot tolerate. I have completed the entire document and you are still not ready. I can ask anybody come on board and write program in front of me.
Yes, sir.
Once again,
Yes, sir.
you have to practice every single program. Be ready. I can ask you anybody come on board and solve in front of me. Online folks, don't be in a dilemma. I'll ask you to share the screen and then do it. Cause I am putting my effort genuinely, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Am I trying my level best to explain you?
Yes, sir.
Did I give you the liberty to ask any number of time you want?
Yes, sir.
Agree?
Yes, sir.
If you have any doubt, you can ask any time. Agree? Despite of all this, if you are not gaining confidence, what is your problem? What is the excuse left over for you? You need to sit, listen, understand the program here, go home, practically implement everything. Every single thing, and I will check everybody's code. Don't worry, you copy paste. Fine, you showed me, I'll bring you to the code. And if I see anybody, you have written code in your laptop and cannot write on board, whatever happens, you are responsible. I repeat, if you are telling sir, I have already written the code, look at it in my laptop. Now I want on board. You need to explain it to me. Not just writing the code. You need to explain me why are you taking this variable? Why are you starting with this? What is this condition? Why? Why are you taking while loop? Why not for loop? Everything I'll ask. Practice like that. Still 2 days of time I've given you. Take time till Friday. Chalo. Good amount of time is given. Including whole day today. At least 4 days time is there. Take till Friday. Ensure each one of you learn every program.
Yes.
And if you are not ready, I'll make you ready my way. That is the most painful way. Let me tell you. My way is the most painful way. I don't want you to come to my way. Ample amount of time is given. 4 days are pretty good time. Every single program you can practice repeated number of times. Writing program as well as explaining. I will make you come on next to my desktop and type the code next and write on board and explain.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
everybody has to be confident. I'll ask anybody. Be ready. Check. Because see guys, if I'm not being strict with certain areas, you will not put up. I know myself. Engineering student, right? If nobody is pushing us, we will have a that is the reality of all of us. Agree? And see, where I have to be nice, I have to be nice. Where I have to be rude, I have to. If I say, okay, take 2 months after that complete number series, that will never complete after 2 years. People are there. Commitment is there. Do you agree? Whatever is your salary is the loss you are doing if a single month. Sir, unmute. Unmute, Anna. Sorry. Let's proceed. Let's proceed to the next program. Only 10 minutes left over. यार ये मत करो यार तुम लोग. Let me see all of you. फटाफट. Online folks. So after this we'll give the 30. Tomorrow we'll start with prime number. Okay, okay. Prime number, factors, factorial, everything will be done. What's the name? Amar. Simple. Ensure you write it fast. Ready, you. Come. Faster, come. Start the counting.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18,
19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 27, 28, 29, 30, 32,
30.
34, 35, 37.
And people try to come on time, guys. Morning. Especially. Max 5-10 minutes of relaxation I can give, but please don't take it as a liberty. Clear? I purposely start 5-10 minutes late because I do understand morning people, if you are coming from far, challenges are there. But please don't take it as a liberty for you. Because any day if I am not in a good mood, I will block you. Rule is clear. 7:15 you should be inside the class, no matter what. Last time deadline is 7:50. Clear? I never start before 5, 7, 10, and usually I never start. 7, 5, 7, 10, I never start at that. I wait for 5 minutes. And if you are coming by 7:30 and all, I am tolerating now. Soon I'll stop it. Fix your habits. Time is given so that you can fix your habits. Thank you, buddy. What's your name? What's next, man? After enter number. After enter number, what you should do? Very good. Thank you. Leave. Practice and come tomorrow. Kalyani, madam, come. Fast, fast, fast. Yogesh? Sum as capital, space is not there. Come on. What is that n? You need to print what is that n now. N can be any value, right? Hmm. Hmm. Ah, space. First you give a space. Ah. Save. Save. What will you save? Escape, escape, escape. Press escape. Very good, Arun. Good job. Command prompt is already kept open. Check. Save this, huh? CLS. Good. Java C. Space right click. Very good. Tab. No problem. Done. Java. Space. Take 10. Done. Good job. Be ready. Anybody can be coming on stage. Prepare like that. Time is given to you now. Later, if you can't do it, scolding will be there and you are responsible. Check for time. Let me quickly share the thing which you are waiting for. Check. By the way, PPP people, don't scan anything, guys. Thank you for the day. Tata. Bye bye. Namaskar. PPP people, please don't scan that and please. Hope if you mark the attendance, you can drop. Bye bye. Wait. On the V2 people, is it pure waste of time for you people or something new is coming? Is it better?
Yes, sir.
Day by day, your confidence is gaining.
Yes, sir.
Coming now. Then I don't wish that your time is being wasted. I purposely don't want to do it, but what do you call it? Circumstances are like that. We have to merge both the classes. Matter of few days, I think see. Then after that, we'll start patterns. How many of you are super confident in patterns? Three. 1, 2, 3. Only these two people, four Chandu also, right? Pattern. Pattern programs, remember? Confident? Hey, that's what you people were doing. If these people have done it, what about you? Yes, Akka. What is the problem? What went wrong? Harita? Arshita. Hey, one match. Harita is there, one match. Harika is there, one match Arshita. And if you spell a wrong name, everybody get. So Harshita. What went wrong with you? Any program given? Now also? Shall I call you? Pakka? Sure. See, she is insisting too much. What can I do? Take it. Welcome. Come. Most welcome. Pakka? You tell me the logic. That's it. Don't need to write. What will you do? What is the strategy you will apply?
Here, we'll take two times.
Two loops are there. Fine. Write the code. Let me see your logic also. तुमको आता है? Try तो करो. चलो. हाँ. Tell me not. I make it simple. Now you word. Madam, see, this is what I want. If you can, if you're excited to come on board and write, we are doing good job. Trainers are doing good job. If you are afraid of coming on board, then shame on us.